And stand straight, all of you. Shoulder straight, all of you. Shoulder down. Chest forward. And take a deep breath inside and breathe outside. Take a deep breath inside from your nose and breathe outside from your lips. Okay? Join, cross your hands, all of you. And breathe in. Breathe out from your lips. Once again. Very good. Once again, students. Breathe in, all of you. Take it inside. Okay, students. Now, stretch your hands. Other side. Knees should be straight. So don't fold your legs. All of you, make sure that knees should be straight. Your legs should be straight. Stand straight, all of you. Opposite side. Right hand down, all of you. Keep your right hand here and left hand up. Legs should be straight and go down. Hands should be down also. Very good. Once again, the opposite direction. Opposite side. Okay, good. Now again, cross your hands and open and breathe in. Very good. Now stretch your hands. And hands should be made strong. All of you make strong your hands. Do like a butterfly stitch. Just feel like you are flying, okay? Faster, all of you do faster. Turn your hands. Drop your hands. Hands up. Good side. Forward. Turn your hands. Too fast, all of you, too fast. Okay, close your finger. Close your finger. Okay, now lock your hands like this. Elbow open. Elbow should be open. Don't touch. Hands forward. And done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Now, everyone, turn properly and look back side. Okay, and do faster. Like this. Look back, all of you. All students should look back. Turn properly and look back. Yes, turn, all of you. Good, very good. Now join up legs, all of you. Everyone be attention position. And knees, fold your knees, all of you. Change your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop. Now I got everyone stand on your toes. Go down. Hold your breath. Everyone take your breath inside and hold your breath. Hands up, lock your hands. right leg like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, good. Now on this side, keep your hands on your knees, hold your right knee and look back like this. All of you try, senior students, try out all of you. Very good. Look straight. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now again stand straight. Opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn. Keep your hands on your knees. Hold your knees. Good. All of you do like this. Close your mouth. Open up to class 6 students. Legs should be straight and touch your toes. Everyone make straight your knee. Don't fold your legs. Legs should be straight. Touch your toes. Legs straight, all of you. Good, good, good. Now, stand in the formation, all of you, like this. Keep your hands and head down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, change. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now round your head. Round your head, all of you. All of you round your head. Senior students, right? Opposite direction. Reverse. Very good, all of you. Again, stretch your hands. Do hurry up. Now, hands forward, left hand forward, turn to the right side and put right hand inside. And elbow, don't fold your elbow, elbow should be straight.